Uh, I highly respect NorCal. I'm just tell you what, NorCal is in the top of my book. When I think about technicians on YouTube, I think of NorCal and these like underrated guys too, because there's channels out there with like a zillion subscribers. Not me, but there are other channels like that. And NorCal comes in at a lower amount, still more than me, deservedly so. But he's like a real technician with real tech stuff. I like that. I think he's a cool guy. I put him in the same category. I don't know if anyone can remember this guy, but Heavy Diesel. Heavy Diesel was a technician's technician right there. Technician's technician, I think is how you say it. Not popular on YouTube by any stretch of the imagination because he just put up some clips and stuff. But I mean, there's a guy who knows what he's doing. Absolutely knows what he's doing. Doesn't showboat about it. Just does his job. Films it a little bit. Man, that's a solid technician. Let's see here. We got Susie Dunn. What's up, Susie? I'm glad you're here, Susie. Susie Q. Now I got to think about that song for about 10 minutes. Kangaroo God, what's up? What's happening? Randy Labs, what's up? Roger. We got Roger Gregory, Adam, Ken and Casey. We got HVAC Technician Talk. We got Stefan B. Oh, Jim Petnato. You know what? That is a fantastic recommendation right there. Jim Petnato, if his stuff is still out there on the internet, which I think it is. I think I saw his stuff on the internet not too long ago. He's still out there. He hasn't filmed in a while, but talk about a guy who is the top of his class as far as refrigeration technician. Hey, Susie, don't worry about the shout out. It's my pleasure. Justin Beaver, our lone moderator, is here. Our lone moderator, Justin Beaver. He will put the hammer down. What's up, Ted? Ted, just in time to see the show end. Just in time to see the show end, because that's about where we're at. That's Ted, guys, Anti-DIY. He is a famous YouTube channel who does service calls. Here's another guy who does service calls that's worth watching. I'm not saying that other guys aren't worth watching. I'm just saying that Ted is a guy that takes you on the call. You see the whole call unfold, the rationale, the thought process, and you see him work through it. I think it's really, really good. And he owns the company too, so you get a little bit of knowledge from that area as well. So that's a good one to watch right there if you guys have not already subscribed, and I'm sure a lot of you are subscribed.